All right, now we're recording. Okay. All right. Now, let's work on this. This is the Zir Zoo. Now we're going to work on our beginning letter sounds. We've already read the book. And you remember the letter that the what's the sound? What letter is for the
Elephant.
Elephant. And what letter does elephant begin with?
E.
It's not even written on there.
No, don't touch it.
All right. Now let's find the elephant. Here, open your book. Now find the elephant. You gotta open it this way. Miss Tony made it all crazy. Is that the sound? Does that make the sound? No, not really.
But the snake.
Does this make the sound? Does that letter make the sound?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, now let's see if we can trace the letter E. All right, go ahead. Can you trace it? Do the best you can. Very good. Now let's find the next animal. Which animal starts with the sound?
Snake.
Snake. And what letter is that? That makes the sound.
S.
S. Now open your book and find the snake and the letter S. It's right there. Okay. Now write the letter S. Let's start at the top. And then we work our way around that S. All right, now try here. And work your way around the letter S. Very good. And what sound does the letter S make?
Snake.
What sound? What letter sound? What sound does the letter S make? No, that's this one. Remember? That one makes the S sound. And what is it? Yes. And what letter? What's the sound that the S makes? Can you remember?
Elephant.
That's okay. It makes the letter. The letter makes the sound s, right? Yeah. You want to trace the snake too? Not yet, Clark. I'll get right with you. Hold on. All right. Let's try the next animal. Remember your favorite. What's this one that starts with the letter? That letter that makes the sound.
Monkey.
Monkey. But what letter?
M.
M. Very good. Thank you. Oh, God. Here he is. Now see if you can trace that letter M, and I'll get you some tissues. Yes. And what sound does that M make?
Monkey.
Yes. Just the letter M sound. What does that sound make?
Monkey.
Can you tell me the sound the letter M makes?
No, which one?
Yes, you did good. What sound does this letter make?
M.
M. Put your lips together. Look at my lips. Mm. 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 Right? And yes. And what letter sound does that make?
Elephant.
What's the letter sound?
E.
Can you make the sound of the letter E?
Elephant.
Yes, it does. So it's in the elephant. But what sound does the letter E make?
Elephant.
Elephant. Close enough. All right. What about the letter S? What sound does that make?
Snake.
Yes, that's a snake. Do you remember what letter sound that is for the letter S? I see. You went to get the animals now. Okay. All right then. Can we finish with the letter S?
Yeah.
What letter sound does that? What sound does the letter S make? Hmm?
No E. Oh, no S.
S. What sound does S make?
Open. No S.
Yeah, it makes the.
No S.
Yeah, we'll work on the letter S. Okay. Is that okay? We'll work on the letter S. Okay. You know what can help you remember? Come sit down. Sit right here. You know what can help you remember the letter S sound? Look at this. Watch me make a snake. And the snake is saying, right? Uh-huh. All right. All right. That's it.
Here, I'll help you.